Here we're going to go through an overview of the billing feature. So first of all, let's head over to the dashboard, which we are on. Let's go to the billing. Just click on the billing icon. This is going to load the sections we are on. And let's go here to charge templates, right? And first off, charge template lets you add a collection of charges so that you can reuse them. So first, let's create a new charge template. So this says second term, right? So let's say, let me do this. Let me come back here for a second and find out what the first class is. Okay, so Kretsch Macedonia. Let's just call it CM. So I'm going to say CM term 2 charges. Right, and here I'll just say nothing for the description. Right, and then we're gonna first off we need to create it. So our collection is now created, and we can click on this. Okay, let's just go here for a moment and come back here this way, and then let's click on this. All right, now we can add some charges. So let's say studies fee. Right, and let's just add the CMT2. Let's just say this is on GHC 100. And for the description, let's just say studies fee, CMT2. Oh, we can add the 100 again, or you can leave it in here. Let's add, so we set it to be 100, right? Here, let's just retype this C and this arrow go, and it already says credit. So let's add this here. All right, so this has been added. Let's add something else. Let's say feeding, right? Feeding CMT2. And let's say feeding is 30 CDs. So let's say GHC 30. Let's do nothing. Here, let's put GHC, and there, let's put 30. All right, so that too has been added. And let's say there was some student destroyed school property. So let's say CM2 desk repair. Right, and let's say this would be 60. So CM, it's supposed to be T2 for TEM2, right? Whatever you want to name this, like the more descriptive you make it, the easier it is to when you're looking over. So here, let's say nothing, GHC, and this would say to be 60, right? Now let's apply it. All right, so there our charges are added. Let's go back to the students, and let's, so Kretsch Macedonia, right? For all the students, let's add the studies fee and feeding fee. All right, so we'll just click these two. We've already checked, like you can go through and check each student individually. I'll just click over here to check all of them, right? And then here, we could check this to check, click on this to check all the charges, but we don't want to add this last one. So I'm just adding these first two. We'll click apply. We can go through to make sure all the charges are applied. So 100 and then 30 CDs are the charges. That totals 130. So for all the students, their total should be 130. We'll just click apply, right? And that should apply and reload there. So now all the students have the fee of 130 CDs applied to them. If we click on any one of these current balance, we should see the charge where it is also total. So here it says studies fee 100, and it says the this faded is the current balance. So the next one will be, the next charge is 30, and that adds to the previous 100 to make 130, right? So you see 130 as the final number. And it's also shown here, total charge in cities 130, right? So all the students are charged. Now let's say the last charge, this repair, let's say this student, Anya Joani, right, has destroyed school property. So we want to charge just her the 60 CDs. So just click on only her. Then we check the 60 CDs. Then we just click confirm and apply. So there, it only shows Anya as the student to be charged. I'll just click apply, right? Once this goes away, we should see that everything reloads and only Anya has the charge of 190 because like we applied 60 to whatever she had previously. So now her current balance is 190 CDs. And as you can see, the running total, here we only have, um, for the totals, the 60 appears first. So her total currently 60 plus the 100, 160 plus the 30, 190. And that's just a summary of how to use the billing feature from the admin side. So next time I'll show you how it'll appear for teachers and also on parents. That's all for now. Later.